Understand? So the next thing was that present continuous tense shows also a future. But how? But if you want to add a future time expression to present continuous tense sentence. Now, I am teaching English now. So tomorrow is Thursday, right? So the schedule is also, so tomorrow we have also class. The schedule says that. So if you have a proper schedule that something will happen in the future, you can use also from present continuous tense, just we can add a time expression of the future. For example, you can say that I am teaching you tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is what? The time expression of tomorrow. It shows the future. Just add a time expression of the future. Your sentence is present continuous tense. This tense will talk about the future. Now, so I have a flight at 7 o'clock, right? So you can say I am having a flight tonight. Tonight is future. Because everything is pre-planned, scheduled before. That's why we are using from present continuous tense. Understand? Okay. It was a lesson. Thank you very much.